How to plant green honey guava in a home yard for beginners. Green guava honey is one of the superior varieties of superior honey water guava. Green guava honey, or also famous for Delhi green guava honey, has a super sweet taste, moreover has a super large shape with shiny green skin. Guava water honey green plants have a combination of the highest level of sweetness of water guava in Indonesia, reaching 12.4 to 15.5 brix. This green Delhi guava fruit can measure around 200 to 300 gr/fruit, and in guava fruit has a high content of vitamin C. Because it tastes sweet, many people want to plant it. The care of guava honey green plants is easy. In 1 year the guava seeds have begun to learn fruit. Guava green Delhi honey can bear fruit without knowing the season. Harvesting can be done 3 times a year. Green guava honey can be grown on plantations or planted in pots, tabulam pot. Besides the price of guava honey green Delhi, which is quite expensive, which is around Rp 35,000/kg, enough to occupy if used as a business opportunity. The following is how to plant green guava honey in the yard of the house for complete beginners. 1. Characteristics of green Delhi honey guava. Quality green honey guava honey plants have the following characteristics. A. Has wide and large adult leaves. B. Have green leaves not too old. C. Has a light green young stem or twig. D. It has large, shiny green fruit. E. The taste of sweet fruit reaches 12.4 to 15.5 brix. F. Having a faster fruiting period, hardly knows the season. 2. How to plant green Delhi honey guava. How to plant green Delhi honey made in pots/poly bags. Can use planting media in the form of a mixture of soil, cow dung, or chicken manure and fermented husks with a ratio of 2:1:1. Planting using poly bags or pots is mostly chosen with poly bags. It will facilitate the regulation of nutrition and watering and reduce competition for nutrients with other plants. 3. How to take care of the green honey guava Delhi to harvest. Perform regular watering, i.e. with an automatic time-regulated water pump or another 2 times a day. In order for the nutrients needed for green Delhi honey guava plants to be fulfilled, then do fertilization. Fertilization is carried out during the vegetative period and when fruiting. Giving fertilizer every time is different. In the vegetative period, fertilization is carried out by giving 1 to 2 teaspoon NPK 16 hours 16 minutes and 16 seconds every 10 to 14 days for plant growth. In addition, add biofertilizers every once a month. The biological fertilizer contains macronutrients and micronutrients, auxin growth enzymes, gibberellin enzymes, and cytokinin enzymes, and protagonist microbes needed by plants. Nutrition, enzymes, and microbes help the growth of roots, stems, and fruit so that they can improve quality and yield. The biological fertilizer is also able to neutralize harmful residues from chemical fertilizers. 4. Harvest time guava honey green Delhi. After entering the generative period, flowering and fruiting period, or 7 to 8 months after planting, the fertilizer given is 28% monocalcium phosphate, MKP, fertilizer, which is given once every 10 days. Liquid biofertilizers are also regularly applied once a month. When flowering, select ovary romps that appear upward or appear at the end of the branch, because usually in that part the fruit will fall before enlarging because the stalk is not able to withstand the weight of the fruit. For this reason, fruit is removed early to reduce nutritional competition. Usually, in one stalk appears 3 ovaries. To maximize results, leave 1 to 2 pieces of fruit, depending on the density of dompolan and ease of packaging. At each dompolan containing 9 to 12 fruits, usually 3 to 5 pieces are left so that the fruit size can be optimal. After the flowering period is complete, which is marked by the fall of stamens, immediately wrap the fruit using spunbond or synthetic fabric to protect the fruit from pests and diseases. Usually harvesting guava honey green can be done 3 months after the flower is formed. With enough nutrients, the tree will bear fruit continuously. Within a year, tree trees can bear fruit at least 3 times. Trees that are 3 years old can produce 7 kilograms of fruit of prime quality every time they are harvested. 5. Post-harvest guava honey green deli. After harvesting, immediately pruning trees to reduce unproductive branching. Trimming also reduces the density of the canopy, so photosynthesis is more optimal, and also to maintain the height of the plant to facilitate the next harvest. Make changes to the planting media every 2 years, because the old planting media is not good and the plant roots have filled the planting place. Move to plant green deli guava plants into polybags or larger pots that contain new planting media. Thus our video discusses about how to plant green honey guava in a home yard for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can benefit us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.